Luna the dog saves Frank the frog.
Let me tell you a story about Luna the dog and Frank the frog.
Hi, I'm Luna. Today is Isaac's first day of school. That's him sleeping behind me. Let me show you my pet frog. Her name is Luna, too.
My name is not Luna, it's Frank.
Alarm! Time to get ready.
Luna tried her best to help Isaac get ready.
Smack!
Wet paint spilled all over Isaac. Too bad it wasn't dry paint.
What did you do, Luna?
Luna made a little bit of a mess.
No need to thank me. I think I got everything you need.
Bam! Mother busted in.
What? What did you do, Isaac?
Isaac was so scared.
I said, what did you do?
Too bad for Isaac. Mother hadn't brushed her teeth yet. It was at that moment Isaac added a gas mask to his Christmas list. Isaac hit the floor.
Thump!
It wasn't me. It was Luna.
What did you do, Luna the frog?
What are you talking about? They're talking about you. My name ain't Luna, it's Frank.
Okay, as long as you're sorry. Apology accepted.
10 minutes later, all was calm in Isaac's room. Bang! The door slammed open. Did Mother have something personal against that door?
Don't worry. I already spoke with Luna and she's very sorry for whatever she did.
Stop calling me that.
Mother put on her weightlifting belt, then overhead pressed Frank's cage and walked out.
Wait, where are you taking her? She said she was sorry.
Luna followed them out. Isaac was eating his favorite breakfast of spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh no, they're gonna flush her down the sink. I have to save her.
Isaac, give Luna a treat.
You think I'm gonna fall for that? Ooh, treat!
That treat took Luna to paradise.
Hey, Luna, are you forgetting something?
Ketchup?
No!
Oh yeah, save Luna!
Luna dashed over to rescue Frank, but she ran into a major spaghetti and meatball maze. Luna made it out and screamed,
Let her go!
Isaac, give me the towel. I'm done cleaning the cage.
Mother dried the cage and put Frank back in.
It worked! What a day! Isaac is so tired from school. I think he might need my help getting ready tomorrow.
Should Luna help Isaac get ready tomorrow? What do you think?
Come get your free activity pages, type in the address or scan the code.